Alright, let's talk about the solution here to the extra practice. Alright, so finding the volume for number 12. Well, let's look at this here, right? We've got a triangular prism here, right? You got a triangle here, right? And so you get your base here, your little base, and you get your height right here, your little height there. And so you get your formula here for that triangle here. And you got to realize that this triangle is carrying forward out another 6 yards here, and that's why we're talking about volume, because this area is extending this way, and it's all triangles compressed together that make that volume. And so that's where that comes into play here. So this base is just carrying out for the 6 yards, and that's that length, the 6 yards right here, right? So we do our calculations using precious, and we come up with 37 and 8/10 cubic yards. Now number 13. Again, big thing here, right? This base is the triangle. So here's our triangle, right? Half little b, little h. And so there's our base. Here's our height. Base, height. And then we get 4.8. We do precious. We go 2.5 times 3.4 times 4.8. Divided all by 2. And you get your 24/10 cubic millimeters. Alright, now when we talk the bottom one here, so the toy company makes a rectangular sandbox that measures 6 feet by 5 feet by 1 2/10 feet. A customer buys a sandbox and 40 cubic feet of sand. Did the customer buy too much or too little sand? Alright, well, first let's figure out what that sandbox can hold. And so you see the 6 times the 5 times the 1 2/10. And so the volume for that sandbox, volume for that little sandbox here, right? Let me see if I can make a little sandbox here. Boom, 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 boom. Still better than all of you guys there, right? So that sandbox, right? And that can hold 36 cubic feet. Well, I can't really do the inside dimensions there. That is pretty, but you get the picture. And so if we buy 40 cubic feet of sand, it's going to be popping overflowing here. So we're going to have 4 cubic feet more sand than is needed. Here, right? So that's what you need to realize there. All right, now for 15, the base of a rectangular prism has an area of 19 square meters. So we're saying that this times this, we don't know what the length and width is, but we know that when we multiply it, we get 19 4/10 square meters. We know the volume overall is 306 and 52/100 cubic meters. So what's going to happen here, right, is we got to divide both sides here by that 19.4. Both sides by 19.4. So that part of this 306 needs to also be divided by the 19.4. And when we divide both sides by 19.4, we get 15 and 8/10 meter equal the height. So hopefully that kind of like lays out there for you. And I didn't do my research for a bad dad joke, so no bad dad joke for this one. I'll have to try and make it up on the next one. All right. Take care. If you have any questions, just let me know.